have enough spice. Hold on one second. Konnichiwa, you magnificent bastards. It's Dirty Chris, or as they know me as Filthy Frank, TV, CVF, Studios. Now, from our last video, well, two, I did a victory birthday to my cousin on my granny's side, John Paul. And then I did a Sierra Things thing. So now we're going to take our roles from the rolls of the rolling hills of the Highland clan of the Fat Factory to have a heart to heart talk. Guys, come on now, man. Come on. I'm getting a deeper voice now. I'm almost fucking 30 years old. I'm not a little guy anymore. I'm fucking 30 almost, man. Are you fucking kidding me? You fucking kidding me? I'm still doing this shit. Rant month. What am I gonna do for next rant month? That's gonna be more parts. More updates, damn it. It's not fucking fair! What with my tits? What with my tits? It's fucking disgusting! What the fuck is D6 up to these days, man? Gotta have Aquafina. Gotta stay hydrated. Dashiki, 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 dashiki. That is an Aztec water chant for purification. Now, from the Fat Factory that we haven't done in a bitchin' long time. You listening? Yes. I do things differently on my fucking channel. Colonel Kill. Penis. All right, let's get to the fucking scripted the notions. Here's the first one. Guess who it is? Guess who's in charge of this? I drew this shit. Focus! Come on, goddammit! Give me some focus. Are you gonna okay, here. That's right. Look at it. Nuko Buko. You're saying this correctly. And who did that? You're saying this right, people. That's Nuko Buko. Go Nuko Buko. Go Nuko Buko, go. Go, go, Nuko, Nuko. Now here's the fullness of it. Nuko Buko. I did some other shit. I was just bored, so we're getting to there. I ain't gotta explain shit. You can look at it through yourselves. I'm pretty lazy that way. Sorry if it's shaking. I have unsteady hands because I have carpal tunnel syndrome and asthmatica, but I'm not autistic. Fuck autism. Yeah, fuck autism. And no, that's not gang signs. Because autism should have. If there's a fucking autism gang, please tell me on YouTube. Please tell me. I will make many videos on that. Did Wing Dork? Beating you to it, nigga. Nigga, I'm woke. Fucking woke. I'm just gonna go through all the things that I have here. These are stuff I drew. Some of it I don't know what it is. It's just pictures I have. God damn it, focus. Let me get to work and focus, people. Focus. Focus. Stew eating the onion. Here's some of them. I don't know how to focus this goddamn shit. It's gonna be a long video, people. Just me showing pictures. I should color them in, but I'm like, but that's not the manga way. Mongol Empire. Isn't he adorable? Some of this shit I don't even know what it is, man. Alright, hold on 1 minute. I showed most of it, but I think I know what the problem is. It's this damn lamp. I hate to turn off the lamp that I've had for a while, but, you know? Hold on. Stop being a bitch. Okay, I think that did much better. Hmm, don't you think? Oh, yeah, that did much better. Kinda. It didn't help much. That's because this thing has a backlight. This is ridiculous, y'all. You see what I do for attention? But we're doing all these pictures because I care. I don't fuck about this shit, man. Every day, get on it. By my own means. It's very, very small. Alright, I'll hold this up for a second. Move it around a little bit. There you go. More pictures. More pictures. More pictures. I'm gonna do this slowly so y'all can get the gist of this. I can draw, man. Half the shit I don't even know why I draw. This is some ugly shit, man. This is some penis drawings. But not actual penises, because I don't do sexual art. Besides the big titties, I don't do sexual art. It's just the way I draw. Cause I don't know how to draw too well, but well enough to get the gist of it. From FAP Factory. Yeah, yeah. And we're focusing. More focus. Okay, that's Rico Kaiben Toroshiro. That's his brother. Haven't set up most of the story arcs and shit. Are you getting what I'm throwing down? You better, because I'm going at a steady pace. Half this shit is embarrassing, man. It really is. Focus, unfocus, focus, thrift back, centerpiece. There. They bet that. Why do I do this shit, man? Why do I draw the big titties? It's not even cute or nothing, man. It's just boring. Same old shit. But I'm doing it because the network wants me to. Y'all know about that network. You don't please them? I wonder who this is. What is this? You tell me. No, it's not Linkara's stupid fucking superhero. But it's close enough. Oh god, the people in the comments are gonna go, Linkara copy! I'm like, no. That's something I came up with a long time ago. Like, even more original than his shit. If that's more original than Linkara's stupid fucking superheroes, you know shit's going down the fan. Alright, I like this one. It's my furry side. It's not even finished, man. Some of this shit is just disgraceful to the human race. What's that? A new enemy in Nuko Buko? A heartless tale? Let's get a close up look. Yes. Oh man. I'm serious. Some of this shit will make you throw up. Make you spit out all that chunks. There's really no explanation for some of these characters. You just soak them in. I love them. Look at this, man. Isn't this adorable? Nuko Buko! That's Sorrel! That was fan requested. It's Lambert! Lambert the Lamb! Will he face Negan again? Who fucking knows? It's been requested, though. It's been requested. Y'all soaking this shit in? I hope so. We're hitting the 10 mark. Now, honestly, like I said, some of these characters are just random characters. This is the Fat Factory. If you don't like the Fat Factory, get the fuck off the video. Holy shit. Was that a spider? What is that? Oh shit. I thought that was a fucking spider. Oh damn, I hate living in this abandoned building with these fucking retard people. Anyway. I am the defender! Yagi Sagoth! Just a character I'm working on. He's like My Hero Academia. The Pose Master! Impy baby! I got my own art! Impy baby! If they get a costume with that for my Digimon in this new game that I ordered, the new Digimon for 2025, putting that costume on him. I don't give a shit. He's gonna have his hoodie for my Impymon. If they do the same thing that they're gonna do with Cyber Sleuth and shit like that. I don't know, I haven't played it yet. I think I got a few more of y'all. It's getting down to the nitty gritty. I like this one. This one's awesome. You can't see it too good, but I like it. I love drawing and expressing myself thoroughly. Alright, we got the two favorites down now. We're going towards the obvious. Thailand Fox, baby! Don't ask about the white streaks or the yellow streaks. That's pin marks, yeah. But there he is. Kalen Fox. And now, the number one requested art piece that I've done in a while. Same one I showed before. Dun 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 dun. Bam, bitches! Wha-bam! There's your Nuko art. Look at that shit. Awesome. Awesome. Hell yeah. Put me on to Tsura Nomura. You seeing this shit? Hell yeah. Can I get a hell yeah in the comments? Hell yeah. Let's just show that for a quick second. That's what I'm fucking working on. A hell yeah. Well, guys, how you like me now? Preparations for Project Typhoon. Big guy. Big guy. Big guy. Hello, Frankie. You're now. God damn it. Hold on one second. Dirty Chris, yeah. Yeah, all that. Well, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. So, I hope you enjoyed the Fat Factory. We're gonna put this as a New Age Fat Factory. The Creaming Goon Edition, or Gooner Edition. Yeah. Let's sing along, people. It's Filthy Frank, motherfucker. It's Filthy Frank, bitch. Or should I say, Dirty Chris, the apprentice of Filthy Frank. Yeah. Let's get some pussy tonight. Yeah. Len Fox, baby, let's get some stuff. Yeah, it's Filthy Frank, motherfucker. It's Filthy Frank, bitch.
Yes.
Alright, guys. I'll catch you at the next one. Just like beer meets food. And, hell yeah, man. Hell yeah.